jbaybayjbaybay, and I just got the iPad 3 16GB black Wi-Fi, and I'll be making a couple new videos today, and this one is going to be an unboxing, and I've never done this before, so let's just first open it up. And I got the last one actually at a Radio Shack, so give them a call to see if they have it in stock there. So right here, I'm going to pull a tab right here. I have the instructions in here, and I have a sync cable and 10-watt charger, and nothing is under here. It doesn't lift up. So I'm going to first start by plugging in my iPad to the computer. Be sure to check out my next video because I'll be doing a power on and power off speed test versus the iPad 3, iPad 2, and the first gen iPad. Sorry. So beautiful. It's really light. So I'm gonna power this bad boy on. Sorry about that glare. So this is the first power up. This is the iPad, it's backwards, and then it says in many different languages over here, configure in all the languages. So I'm going to select English. Next, United States, that's the country I live in. I'm going to enable location services. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network. Enter the password, web key. Okay, so I enter my web key, and now it's joining. Joined. And it comes charged 75%. So yeah. I'm going to set up my new iPad, and I'm going to restore from my iCloud backup. I'm actually just going to set up a new iPad. I'm going to sign up with my Apple ID. Okay, I now have to enter my Apple ID email address for security reasons. Here we go. So now I just have a lot of terms and conditions. I have to tap agree. Agree. Now it says it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So it's been a couple minutes now, and now it's asking me if I want to use iCloud or not. So I'll select use iCloud. Click next. And then I'll do backup to iCloud. I'm going to want to use Find My iPad because that means if someone ever steals my iPad, I could always track them with the GPS. I'm going to want to use dictation. That's basically like Siri, where you could type stuff for you, but she just can't like Google something. If you hold, like on my iPhone right here, like Siri can, if you hold it down, Google jbaybayjbaybay, and that will actually Google jbaybayjbaybay, my YouTube account. This will just type stuff where I could actually go in Notepad, and there will be a, like if I want to type on the whenever the keyboard's there, you could actually see that there is a little microphone there. I don't know if you can see that. And if you tap it, hello, how are you? And actually write it for me. So use dictation. I don't want to send my usage stuff. I'll register with Apple. So I get my warranties, my 90-day warranty. And start using my iPad. And there we go. You do not have to plug in to your computer. I'm just doing it to charge so the battery doesn't die on me. So, hope you enjoyed my first video on my iPad 3, one of many, hopefully. And this is the unboxing and setup of the iPad 3. Hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. This is jbaybayjbaybay.